All right, practice problem 2. So this first equation looks really weird. We've never seen an equation like this, but it's the same idea, okay? We have this negative 2y, and we need to get rid of everything else, right? I want this y to be by itself. So that just means that the x has to go, and the 8 has to go. That's it. So we're going to get rid of two things. And I'm going to go ahead and do them both at once. So the x is positive, so I'm going to subtract an x on both sides. And the 8 is also positive, so we're going to subtract an 8. So that's it. That's the only difference in our first step. So the x is gone, the 8 is gone. We're going to bring everything down. Bring down the negative 2y, bring down the negative x, and the negative 8. All right? I don't want that negative 2 attached to my y, so I get rid of it by dividing everything by negative 2. I need to see the 1 in front of my x. It just makes it easier for me. So now I have just a y. Negative divided by negative is positive. So now instead of a negative 1/2, it's positive 1/2. Don't forget your x. Negative divided by negative is positive. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So here's our first equation. Switch colors for the second one. And we're going to get this y by itself. So the 6 has to go. Usually it's the x, but the x is already on the other side. So it's this 6 right here, and it's negative. So the opposite would be to add it. So we're going to add 6 on both sides. We haven't done that before. Bring everything down. Negative 2y. It's already in the right order, so I just bring down the negative x and the positive 6. Now I need to get rid of this negative 2 that's attached to my y. So just like the other equation, we're going to divide everything by negative 2. We're going to add this 1 in to make it easier to see the fraction. This simplifies to just a y. Again, negative divided by negative is positive, so our fraction is positive 1/2. Don't forget the x. Positive divided by negative is a negative. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So these are our two equations. We're going to graph them on the next slide. All right, so let's get the first equation graphed. So for line 1, my slope is 1/2, and my y-intercept is 4. Put the y-intercept on the graph. Slope is 1/2, up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2. Other direction, down 1, left 2, down 1, left 2. That's a lot of points. Connect it. Change colors. Line 2. Slope is also 1/2. I know there's something special when the slopes are the same. I don't have it memorized, so I'm not sure, but I think it's going to be either no solution or infinite solutions because those slopes are the same. So I know that's a special case, but I'm going to graph it because I'm not quite sure which one it is. Y-intercept is negative 3, up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2. Okay, so these lines are never going to cross. These lines are parallel. Since they don't intersect, there's no solution. Same slope, different y-intercepts means parallel lines and no solution. One more practice problem.